10 mind-blowing facts you won't believe are true. Imagine waking up one day to discover that many things you thought were impossible are actually real. Some truths are so bizarre, so unbelievable, they sound like something out of a science fiction novel or a fantasy film. But what if I told you that the world is full of these strange and mind-blowing facts hiding in plain sight? From the mysteries of nature to the quirks of the universe and the unbelievable feats of human beings, these facts will challenge the way you think and leave you questioning reality. In today's video, we're diving deep into 10 shocking truths that are stranger than fiction. Sit tight and prepare to be amazed. Fact number 1. Octopuses have 3 hearts and blue blood. Let's start under the sea, where one of the most alien-like creatures on Earth resides. The octopus. This 8-limbed wonder isn't just famous for its camouflage and intelligence. It has 3 hearts. That's right, 2 of those hearts pump blood to the gills, while the third pumps it to the rest of the body. But here's where it gets weirder. Their blood isn't red like ours. It's blue. Why? Because it contains copper-based hemocyanin instead of iron-based hemoglobin. This adaptation helps them survive in cold, low-oxygen environments. When an octopus swims, the heart that circulates blood to the rest of the body actually stops beating. So, swimming literally gives them a mini heart attack every time. It's as if nature couldn't decide what to do with these creatures and just gave them everything weird in one body. Fact number 2. There's a planet where it rains. Our Earth may experience thunderstorms and snowstorms, but the universe has weather on an entirely different scale. Imagine a place where the skies pour molten iron. That planet is WASP 76b, located about 640 light-years away from Earth. Scientists have discovered that this exoplanet, tidally locked with its star, faces extreme heat on one side, reaching temperatures over 2,400 degrees Celsius. That's hot enough to vaporize metals. As the metal-rich vapor travels to the cooler night side of the planet, it condenses into droplets, literally causing it to rain iron. It's like a scene straight out of a science fiction movie, but this is real astronomy in action. Our universe is wilder than we can ever imagine. Fact number 3. Bananas are berries, but strawberries aren't. You might want to rethink what you know about fruits. In botanical terms, a berry is defined as a fruit produced from the ovary of a single flower, with seeds embedded in the flesh. With that definition, bananas qualify as berries, but strawberries do not. Strawberries grow from a flower with multiple ovaries, and their seeds are on the outside, disqualifying them from being true berries. Even more confusing? Tomatoes, kiwis, and even eggplants are also classified as berries, so next time someone tells you to eat more fruits, you could technically eat an eggplant and call it a day. Science can be seriously mind-bending sometimes. Fact number 4. Sharks are older than trees. Trees are ancient. Some of them have been standing for thousands of years. But sharks? Sharks have been swimming in Earth's oceans for over 400 million years, while the first trees appeared about 350 million years ago. That means sharks have existed 50 million years before trees ever graced our planet. Picture that for a moment. Before there were forests, there were already sleek predators gliding through prehistoric seas. They've survived 5 mass extinctions and have outlived countless other species. Sharks aren't just apex predators, they're living fossils, silent witnesses to Earth's dramatic history. Fact number 5. A day on Venus is longer than a year. Time behaves differently across the solar system. Take Venus, our scorching hot neighbor. While Earth spins on its axis every 24 hours, Venus takes 243 Earth days to complete one rotation. But here's the catch. It only takes about 225 Earth days for Venus to orbit the Sun. That means a day on Venus is defined as one full rotation and is longer than its entire year. Imagine living there and celebrating your birthday before seeing a single sunrise. It's a reminder that time isn't a constant across the universe. It's relative, bending and twisting depending on where you are. Fact number 6. Your stomach gets a new lining. Every few days. Your body is constantly regenerating itself, and the stomach is no exception. Due to the harsh acidic environment needed to digest food, Your stomach lining actually replaces itself every 3 to 4 days. That's right, your body is constantly shedding and renewing that protective layer to prevent your stomach from literally digesting itself. Without this renewal, the powerful acids could cause ulcers or eat away the stomach entirely. It's a brilliant biological design that keeps your insides safe while breaking down everything you eat. Every time you enjoy a spicy meal or chug a soda, remember your body is already prepping a fresh stomach for the next round. Fact number 7. The Eiffel Tower grows taller in summer. Yes, you read that right. The Eiffel Tower, that towering icon of Paris, can grow more than 6 inches during the summer. This isn't some magic trick or engineering adjustment. It's thermal expansion. As the metal heats up under the sun, it expands, making the entire structure slightly taller. When the temperatures drop, it contracts and returns to its original size. This principle isn't exclusive to the Eiffel Tower. Bridges and other metal structures do the same thing. It's a reminder of how even massive, seemingly rigid objects are influenced by the subtle dance of molecules responding to heat. Fact number 8. There are more trees on Earth than stars in the Milky Way. At first glance, this sounds impossible. The Milky Way has an estimated 100 to 400 billion stars. Surely that's more than the number of trees, right? Surprisingly, no. Scientists estimate that there are over 3 trillion trees on Earth. That's more than 7 times the number of stars in our galaxy. Thanks to extensive satellite mapping and ground studies, researchers were able to count and categorize tree populations globally. This doesn't mean we can take deforestation lightly, though. The number of trees is still declining due to human activity, but it's mind-blowing to know that our planet, at least for now, remains more heavily forested than the sky is filled with stars. Fact number 9. You were once the youngest person on Earth. Here's a philosophical twist. For a brief moment, just a few seconds, you were the youngest person on the planet. The exact moment you were born, you held the title of Earth's newest human being. Of course, someone else was born a second or two later and took the title from you. But still, it's a humbling and curious truth. Every person who has ever lived once held that record, even if just for a fleeting moment. It's one of those oddly comforting facts that connects us all. We each began our lives as the newest chapter in humanity's story. Fact number 10. Humans glow in the dark, but our eyes can't see it. Here's something straight out of a science fiction fantasy. Humans actually emit a faint glow. Bioluminescence isn't just for fireflies and deep-sea creatures. Scientific experiments using ultra-sensitive cameras have revealed that the human body releases visible light in extremely small quantities. This glow fluctuates throughout the day, peaking in the late afternoon and dipping at night. However, the intensity is about 1,000 times weaker than what the human eye can detect. So while we don't appear to glow in a dark room, we're technically walking, talking nightlights. This hidden light may be connected to metabolic rhythms and might one day have medical applications in detecting diseases. The world is a strange and fascinating place, filled with secrets hiding in plain sight. These facts remind us that no matter how much we think we know, there's always something waiting to surprise us. Curiosity is one of our greatest strengths as humans. It drives us to explore, to question, and to learn more every day. So if these facts blew your mind, imagine what else is out there just waiting to be discovered. Thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and check out our other amazing videos for more content that will challenge your perception of reality. See you in the next one.